Open the box up. The first bag has the PCIe 1x that goes into the motherboard. Next we have the USB cable. USB cable has gold ends on it. And last we have the 123 PCIe Riser Extender card. Take that out of the bag. And there are also some motherboard screws in the box. We can see the 3 1x PCIe slots on the board. There's 2 ways to power it up, either through the Molex connector or through the SATA connector. And there's a USB port to hook it up to the other USB port on the 1x PCIe that goes into the motherboard. So I'll just plug it together here. Plug in the 2 USBs. Now I've got 2 GPUs plugged into it. I've got a SATA connector to power it, and I've got the 1x PCIe plugged into my motherboard. So I'll start up the motherboard and see if it recognizes 7 cards. There's 6 480s and 1 470 hooked up to this board now. And surely enough, in Windows 10, it shows 6 480s and 1 470. So that's an easy way to add one more GPU to your system if you have 6 PCIe slots. If you have less than 6, you can probably add 2 more GPUs to your system. It's going to depend upon your GPUs and your motherboard. Some GPUs may work with it, some may not. Some may work better than others. Some motherboards may work with it, some may not.